In this video, we will learn how to divide a decimal number and when to write 0 in the quotient. Please follow the below rules so that you do not make any mistakes. Let us divide 1.015 by 5. Let us apply rule 1. Take the digits from the left of the dividend until the number is greater than or equal to the divisor. Then divide. In this case, the leftmost digit of the dividend is 1, which is less than the divisor 5. So, division is not possible. As per rule 1, we have to consider the next digit also. But we have reached the decimal point in the dividend. So, apply decimal point rule. Place the decimal point in the quotient and continue the division as usual. Now consider the next digit 0 also. So the number becomes 10, which is greater than the divisor 5. Hence divide. 5 twos are 10. So you will get 0 as the remainder. Now rule 1 is complete. Let us apply rule 2. When digits are available, bring down the next digit from the dividend. In this case, since digits are available, bring down the next digit 1. Now rule 2 is complete. Let us apply rule 3. Observe, now the number is 1, which is less than the divisor 5. So, as per rule 3, if the number is less than the divisor, write 0 in the quotient, then multiply divisor by 0 and subtract 0 from the remainder. Therefore, 5 zeros are 0. So, you will get 1 as the remainder again. Now, rule 3 is complete. Let us go back and apply rule 2 again. When digits are available, bring down the next digit from the dividend. In this case, since the digit is available, bring down the next digit 5. Now, rule 2 is complete for the second time. Let us apply rule 3 again. Observe, now the number becomes 15, which is greater than the divisor 5. As per rule 3, if the number is greater than or equal to the divisor, then divide. 5 threes are 15. So you will get 0 as the remainder and 0.203 as the quotient. Now, rule 3 is complete for the second time. Remember, please practice of writing 0 before the decimal point if there is no digit before it. Observe, this division is complete because no more digits of the dividend are left to bring down, and the remainder is 0. Got it? Thank you for watching. For a deeper understanding of long division and divisibility rules, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist from beginning to end.